Gasp. To breathe in suddenly, often in shock or surprise. She gasped when she saw the surprise gift. He gasped for air after running. Creep. To move slowly and quietly, usually to avoid being noticed. The cat crept up behind the bird. I crept out of the room not to wake anyone. Snatch. To grab something quickly or suddenly. He snatched the paper from my hand. A bird snatched the food off the table. Grumble. To complain in a low voice, often quietly or under your breath. He grumbled about waking up early. She grumbles every time she has to do chores. Crumble. To break into small pieces or to fall apart. The old wall started to crumble. The cookie crumbled in my hand. Tremble. To shake slightly, often from fear, cold, or nervousness. She trembled before her speech. His hands trembled with excitement. Giggle. To laugh in a cute or silly way, usually when you're shy or amused. The kids giggled at the cartoon. She giggled when he told a joke. Rumble. A deep, heavy sound, like thunder or a stomach growling. Thunder rumbled in the sky. My stomach started to rumble. I'm so hungry. Cling. To hold on tightly to something or someone. The baby clung to his mom. Wet clothes clung to my skin.